Hey, what's going on? Box time. Time to open up the box. What's in the box? Got I think it's just one fragrance that I just picked up. I'm not sure what it is. I think I have an idea. I think it might be one of those Our Haramain fragrances, but I don't know. Been ready to crack it open. I figure I'll bring you guys along with me. So check it out with me. Box time. I'm back. All right, ready to crack it open. What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. I'm ready to crack this open, figure out what it is. Okay, just jump right into it. I don't want to put the knife all in your face. I don't want you to feel intimidated about anything. All right, let's crack this open. All right. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? A bunch of paper. Oh, it's wrapped pretty nice, and it is what I thought it is. It's Our Haramain. And that's it. We got plastic over it, and here it is. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So let's jump right into it. Grab my knife back. I don't know why I put it up because I knew I was going to need it again. So here we go. So how y'all been? Everybody good? Everybody having a positive day? A blessed day? Let's go with the unboxing. All right. So here we go. It's the regular Our Haramain box, but it's kind of glossy. It's the Amber Oud, and this one is, what is this one called? Aqua Dubai. And then on the back, it has some writing, and then a little barcode on the sides. They don't have anything. And let's see, just opens up like that. Oh, that's pretty nice. That actually looks pretty nice. I have a couple of Our Haramain fragrances, and I do remember them having a box like this, but the box was a little bit cardboard. This feels like plastic or fiberglass maybe. The ones that I have a couple of them, but the other ones that I have came in just a cardboard box. But this is pretty nice. Kind of lightweight, but it's nice. It's a solid, lightweight kind of box. All right, let's check out the bottle. Here we go. There's Our Haramain and Aqua Dubai at the bottom, and then the side. I think this is the 2.5, and yeah, these the top is still the same. It still clicks into place. Let's grab a sample strip and check it out. It's supposed to be similar to, ooh, look at that sprayer. Look at that. Whoa, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. That's fresh and creamy. It's oh man, this is nice. This is a fresh, I think it's supposed to be Midnight Swim, not Midnight Swim. I don't know, one of the Louis Vuitton fragrances. But this is nice. And it's supposed to be similar to something else that I have. North Stag Trois. But this smells, it may smell a little bit like, but this smells so much better and so much richer. Like it smells like it has like body to it, like it smells like it's alive. This smells like a niche fragrance. This is nice. Like this has layers. It doesn't smell like it's gonna be a super beast mode fragrance because of the, usually those citrus notes and those fresh notes are kind of volatile. they kind of dissipate pretty quickly. But this smells like it has like maybe some musk in it, but musk and lemon actually smells like lemongrass. That's what it kind of smells like lemongrass, like a little bit of spiciness to it, but just a little text, like maybe like from a cedar wood or something like this. This is nice. I'm digging this. Do I have some? I have something on my hand, but I still kind of want to see how it smells on my skin. Let me see. Yeah, I have something on my hand, but how about my finger? I'll spray my finger. This is nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A little bit of alcohol on my finger. Yeah, this is nice and creamy. This kind of gives me, it doesn't smell like it, but it kind of gives me the same vibe that I got from Cosmic Pepper from Mancera. Like it has that freshness, but it's also a creaminess to it, almost like a like a nice high-end lotion. This is nice. This is nice. Let me get the notes. I'm just gonna run through. I'm just doing the first impressions, unboxing. I'll be right back. Get the notes. I got the notes, and I'm picking up on some of those fragrances, some of those notes that I was thinking. I see where it's coming from. So on the top notes, there's bergamot, green notes, and mandarin. When I was saying I smelled like a lemongrass, it's the green notes mixed with the bergamot that I was kind of picking up. So that's pretty cool. The middle notes are amber, melon, blackcurrant, and pineapple. And I was thinking I was smelling that that undercurrent of something that's creamy and almost like I said, maybe like a lotion. Not a lotion, but it just smelled creamy, almost like kind of like a dessert or something like that. I think that's coming from the melon and the amber kind of mixing together. And then in the base notes, we have musk, petitgrain, gabbalon, and vanilla. So that vanilla probably is going to kick in like at the dry down, but that could be part of what I'm smelling too. There's kind of like that creaminess vibe to it. This is going to be a banger for summertime. This is going to be a good one. I picked this up at the right time. Woo! This is nice. This is nice. Usually I tend to pick fragrances up just randomly whenever, like, and it's usually a lot of times I pick fragrances up out of season. Like I'll pick up a fresh fragrance like this, like in the dead of winter, and then I'll pick up a fragrance like I don't know, like something like a oud fragrance in the summertime. But this one, this is the right season for this one. This is nice. Aqua Dubai. I am happy about this. So that's all I have for you today. This is nice. I can't wait to wear this. I might wear this one day this week, actually. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this new fragrance that I got. It's not new to everybody, just new to me. I think it just came out either last year or this year. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces. Whew, that one really is good. This is, man, I can't wait to use this. This is gonna be a beast. I'm gonna definitely use that one.